Ano kaya nagiging topic mo naman for today?
Hindi ko nga alam, baka marami tayong activities na yun.
Sana naman hindi masyado. Oo po, si ma'am, tara na.
Kita na.
Dahilan ng paghahari mo.
I am Hannah Ruta. I am truly humbled to be in front of you today. They say, life is as colorful as rainbow. But how would you feel if I told you that mine was pitch black and gray?
Hindi mo man ako magpunta naman. Okay na ako. Ako kaya ko pa.
Nagawa mo ba kami dahil manlalako?
Hindi ka lang magpapang punta ng klase. Yung problema ko sa bahay, pumunta rin sa eskwelahan.
There's so much I want to say, but I don't know where to start.
And now you see, I'm a principal. Remember, your dreams are worth fight. Your future